I'm from BTS-B95 Electronics Technology. We are manufacturers and suppliers of touch POS. Today I want to show you this model. This model, the screen is touch. The screen is 15.6 inch. It can be with printer. It can be 80 mm or 58 mm. The material of this machine is plastic, you can see, and here is aluminum. Okay, it can be double screen or just one screen. This is customer choose. The motherboard is 1900. I want to show you this model is very fast. It's very fast. You can see the screen. The screen is good quality also. You can see. Good quality. It's very fast. All accessories we use to manufacture, all is new brand. All is new brand because we like to give our customers the best. Okay. Here we have another model. This is new model. This is industrial touch machine. This is 15 inch. I want to show you the material. The material all is in aluminum. All you can see. All is aluminum. This is 15 inch. We also have 15.6 inch and more. You can see the ports. This part. This is the ports. They have for USB, have COM, HDMI, and we can adapt another ports. This is the stand. We have two kinds of stand. This is one. All is aluminum. All is good quality, very beautiful. You can see, very beautiful. And also we have this one. This is more cheaper, a little bit, because it's very thin. You can see. Okay. Welcome to contact us. Remember, we are BTS-B95 Electronics Technology Company. We are located in Wenzhou, Panyu, China. We have WhatsApp numbers, email, WeChat, and more. So feel free to ask us if you have any question. Welcome to our channel. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.